Hi Gemini, can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen. It shows a math problem about an equilateral triangle. The problem asks for the area of the triangle, given the length of its sides.
Okay. Can you help me step by step? And I would need you to be a little slow so that I can understand everything
Sure.
which you're trying to tell me.
I understand. Let's take it slow. The problem gives you an equilateral triangle with all sides of length 6. It's asking you to find the area of this triangle. Would you like me to explain what the first step is?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Okay, the first step to finding the area of a triangle is to use the formula. Area equals 1/2 times the base times the height. Do you know what is the base in this triangle?
The base is 6.
That's right. Now the problem shows a height drawn from the top vertex to the base. To
Mhm.
solve for the area, we need the actual length of the height. Do you know how to find that?
Okay, I don't know that.
No problem. Let's figure it out together. Because this is an equilateral triangle, the height divides the base exactly in half. This creates a right triangle, with one side of the base being length 3, and the other side is the height we need to find. Do you see that right triangle now?
Yeah, I see that you meant this one.
Yes, that's the right triangle we need. You can use the Pythagorean theorem to find the height. Why? Do you remember that theorem?
No.
The Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared, where a and b are the two shorter sides of a right triangle, and c is the hypotenuse, or the longest side. In our right triangle here, what are the a, b, and c?
Okay, so A should be bx.
Correct. And b should be the height of the triangle. And what is archaic?
Okay, B is our height. So C should be AB.
Right. So now you can write the equation. 3 squared plus b squared equals 6 squared. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Good. So now we need to solve for b. 3 squared is 9, and 6 squared is 36. So the equation becomes 9 plus b squared equals 36. What's the next step?
Okay, we can minus 9 from both sides. Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct. And what is 36 minus 9?
I don't know.
That's okay. 36 minus 9 is 27. So now you have b squared equals 27. What do we need to do next to find just b?
Root square.
Correct. We take the square root of both sides. The square root of b squared is just b, and the square root of 27 can be simplified to the square root of 9 times the square root of 3. So b equals 3 times the square root of 3. We can now use this to solve for the area of the triangle. Do you want to continue?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Okay, we have the base as 6 and the height as 3 times the square root of 3. Using the formula, area equals 1/2 times base times height. We get area equals 1/2 times 6 times 3 times the square root of 3. So what is the area of the triangle?
You tell me.
1/2 times 6 is 3, and 3 times the square root of 3 is 9 times the square root of 3. So the area of the triangle is 9 times the square root of 3. Does that match one of the answer choices in the problem?
Yeah, looks like the answer is D.
Perfect. The correct answer is d.9 times the square root of 3. You did a great job solving this problem step by step. Would you like help with another math problem?
No, thank you so much for helping me.